Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just ripped the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
Oh, don't mind me. I'm just here chilling on your For You page, taking off my makeup in reverse again. Because apparently it's satisfying and more of you would rather watch this than me actually putting the makeup on. Like literally all my comments on videos that aren't this are, don't be shy, put it in reverse. So here it is. This is what you asked for. This is the content that we want. This is the content that we need. So if I made it to your For You page, give it a like. Thank you. Get on ready with me, New Year's edition. This took me a hot minute to do, and I've had it on for literally like 10 seconds. Let's wipe off these beautiful, luscious, glittery lips. Oh. I'm gonna spray some of this. Oh, here goes the fireworks. Right eye. Left eye. This towel is amazing. Let's get rid of the forehead. Thanks for watching. It is time to take this makeup off. Let's get these contacts out. Okay, great. Love that. Ow. I heard that if you use tape, that glitter comes off easier, so I'm gonna test that out. Okay. That literally got all of it off. Like before and after. I'm gonna do this side too. Getting the forehead. I think that's pretty good, so now I'm gonna start wiping it off with my makeup towel. Get the lips. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This look was based on The Little Mermaid and if she, from Pollution, yeah. Starting by taking off the contact, we gotta snatch the weave. I'm getting crazier and crazier every day. And now for the fun part. So, for no reason whatsoever, I just glued the seashell right here, just because I found it in my stuff. And we just gotta... Okay, that wasn't too bad. All of this on my face is also liquid latex. Let's take it off. Oh, okay. Let's take all of it off, not just a little piece of it, Valeria, come on. Okay, take two. Okay, that's better. There's still liquid latex on my neck. Okay, this one's gonna hurt. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, quick. Almost done. Finally. Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
This is 100 layers of concealer, and I'm gonna be attempting to take it off. It's literally burning. It literally looks like I'm melting. Alright, let's do it. Just look at that. My pores are screaming. Don't know how it ended up in my eyebrow. It's really itchy, I just wanna... Yummy! Oh, wow. I'm gonna give her a swipe. Find that eyebrow that is hidden. Oh, there she is. These are the dirtiest makeup wipes I have ever seen. It's like in my eyes. That is the best I could do. I'm gonna go wash my face.
Hello everyone, this is my official apology video for whatever this is. Let's take it off together. I take full responsibility for this, however, you were the ones who asked me to do it. And in my defense, you wanted disturbing makeup, I gave you disturbing makeup. But I'm still very sorry. Let's take her off. I deserve that. If this is in my hair, I won't even complain. Y'all about to start getting sleep paralysis demons that look like this. This is already nightmare fuel, so I don't think I can make it much worse here. Never mind. I am pretty much clean. My face is stained, especially the smile right here, but, you know, I had it coming. Please give me suggestions of what cartoon I should do next that I can actually do a good job on and not have to make an apology video later. Thank you.
Get unready with me, Ice Queen edition. Let me take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. Gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. Oh my god, I'm overheating. I'm gonna learn from my mistakes and take my contacts out first so I can see. Oop, there we go. Oh, scary teeth. Now the feathers. I already know this one's gonna hurt. Ah, that's my skin. Okay, we're making progress. Now we gotta repeat that same thing on the other side. Looking at the good sides, my neck is really smooth now. And now it's just the easy part left. Almost forgot the lashes. Oh boy. I just look delightful. There's way too much hair gel in my hair, so I'm gonna go shower. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. And you guys have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me. I've genuinely had this on for less than 60 seconds. But like I finished my TikToks, I took a photo. What else do you need? Once again, this cloak is my pride and joy. Let's start around the eyes. Hi, how are you? This is gonna stain my towel really bad. Well, that looks like it's everything. Psych! That actually came off really well. Let's pop these puppies out. Oh, or not. There we are. And over there. Yep. Thank you for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with liquid latex in so long. Or it feels like it's been so long. Gotta pluck my feathers, if you know what I mean. I really just have this giant beak on my face. Oh, not anymore. Oh, the liquid latex is still there. No. Just kidding, that was a test. You know, I didn't feel anything. Took me so long to draw, but oh well. Bye-bye. Nightmare fuel. I'm covered in paint, so I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. I took a shower and I am all clean now.
It's time to take this off. Isn't it cute though? Okay, well, these aren't my real eyes, so I'm gonna take these out. Yeah. I put these little candies on with liquid latex. Let's get the other side. Oh! Last one. I think these are edible. That does not taste good. Gotta get these eyelashes off. There's one. There's two. Now we're gonna wipe this off. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I went to go take some pictures in the bath and now I'm really cold. And still a little bit wet. Honestly, I'm kind of surprised how well my makeup held up in water, cause like, this is paper. With that being said, it should come off pretty easily. Look at this little fin. This is so sad. Taking off makeups that took this long is always so sad. Ow, it's stuck in my hair. This neck piece took so long to make. And now it's gone. There's still latex on my shoulder though. Not anymore. She sells seashells on the seashore. Ow. Adding a third eye to any makeup look is always so much fun. I even painted it white to match the contacts. Little gemstones. Boop, boop. Contacts. Now that I can see, I realized that I completely forgot about the gold foil. So small. Ow. Fun. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. But you have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie minion edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh God. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I can't wait to take this off. Oh my god. But, to give myself some credit, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I made these ears out of paper and wire, and let's take them off. Ooh. This isn't even a correct bald cap. It's a hair cap. Wig cap is the right word. I forgot that word. This is air dry clay, and my skin is not happy with it. It's squishy. I'm mentally preparing myself for being able to breathe again. Ooh. Ah. What is this? I'm just gonna finish taking the rest of this off. And of course, we need the nightmare fuel. Oh boy. Alright, the moment of truth. No. There's no way. I took a shower. It's not coming off.
Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here and here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower.
Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? The Target logo got cut into my face, oh no. Psych, it's makeup. I don't know, it's too late. I wanna go eat and sleep. Let's take this off. You ever wonder what my makeup looks like from far away? Like, this is what my mom sees. This is how I walk around the house. I use scar wax, and I absolutely hate it. Put liquid latex under it, so it's coming off relatively easy. Oh no. Look at this piece of hair. Okay, let's do this big circle. Oh. Please come off in one piece, please. No. Come on. Isn't that terrifying? I'm just gonna go shower. I'll clean.
I look like Patricia McDonald. Take off my makeup with me. I have an appointment at the animal shelter, and I have to be there in literally 5. If I go like this, do you think they would let me take home a cat? They probably would think that I was gonna force the cat to have an excruciating life in the circus and train him to jump through hoops and stuff with little to no compensation. Or they would just call the cops and then put up a most wanted sign in front of the shelter. Regardless, I'm not really trying to find out. So today I decided to cosplay as your ex, and no, that was not your sign to text him. Aren't these contacts sick? They're like clocks. Really small clocks. Speaking of clocks, do you know what time it is? It's time for you to stop scrolling on TikTok and get out of bed and maybe, I don't know, clean your room, do the dishes, do that homework you've been putting off. I'm just trying to keep you thriving, queen. So you won't end up like this. Bye, I'm going to the shelter. Comment if you think I should get a cat.
Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. I can't talk very loud right now, if you didn't know. Yeah. Let's pull these teeth out. Yeah. I don't even know how to start. Oh, like that, I guess. And that's it. Bruh, that's terrifying. Bye-bye. Good day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. So I have these fake little nails on, but they were too big, so I had to shove stuff in the back. So let's get these off. Wig snatched. Let's see if I can... Oh, wow. And number 2. Wow. This literally took so long, and I've had it on for like 5 seconds. Taking some cleansing balm. And I'm just gonna rub that in. Get the other side. The nose. Oh, wow. Get the neck. Now let's wipe. Look at those eyebrows! I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know that it is time. It's time to take this off again. I attempted to put my hair out of my face, but I can't see, so I hope I don't look crazy. Of course I look crazy. Never mind. Let's just take this off. Oh yes. Is my eyebrow still there? I can't see. I hope it's still there. Time for this eye. Ding ding ding. Now I just gotta take the rest of this off. Now that I think about it, I probably should have taken my contacts out first. And once again, the removal process is scarier than the original look. Oh god. Okay, I forgot to film that last part, but it's like 3 days later now and my face is clean.
Take off my makeup with me, Spider Edition. This is the first time I've ever used this contact lens, and I just got my nails done yesterday, so I'm kind of scared to take it out. Okay, we're good. Not as hard as I thought. Let's give it a little spray. Oh gosh, I think I got it in my eyes. Oh no. I can't see, so I'm just gonna start wiping and hope that something's happening. Oh my, I have so much stuff in my eye right now. Oh, I mean, I got most of the paint off, so I think I have to go wash my face.